Hi there, this is Carlito Fluito, and since everyone is doing videos about Chat AI, here we go with one concerning health coach and specifically about fitness. So I'm a Caucasian male of 60 kilos and 1.50 meters tall, and I would like to gain more muscles. What is the best program of exercises that I can follow? And then it goes into telling me that how to train, strength, isolation exercises, take rests, and then stress training. But since what I want is the plan with the specific exercises, then I go like, can you make a detailed plan for the whole week with the specific exercises, weights, and numbers of repetitions? Sure. And here it comes: Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But that's not enough for me, because what I really want is the amount of kgs to the plan, as well as the cardio sessions for Tuesday and Thursday. And of course, it does it instantaneously, and we can go beyond, and I can tell that to add warm up and cool down exercises. And since it's general at the beginning, 5 to 10 light cardio, increase heart rate, dynamic stretches, strength training exercises, and then is, can you write the whole plan with a warm up and a cool down? So then I just need to copy and paste detailed exercise and stretches indicating how many per second, length swings, arm circles, 10, 15 per direction, and this goes on and on with the cool down, light cardio, and static stretches. I'm not a fitness trainer, but if you are a fitness trainer, as so many of our jobs, you will be delegated into reviewing what is the output of the AI. So welcome to this tool that you are going to adapt some outdoor and social activities for Saturday and Sunday. And in this case, it break down here. But yeah, it's just like going bit by bit, copying and pasting, and setting things. I also tried to put it in a LaTeX editor. It didn't work out really well for this. But yeah, the same. You can create a code and put this on a website and send it to your clients. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you're enjoying these new times that we are living. Have a nice day, and don't forget to exercise.